here's Grayson, who is doing this for the 4th time because he doesn't learn. Now what? Oh gosh. No fear. No fear. Oh, now you're going to cry? Did you hurt your foot? So if you're crying, why are you getting ready to climb up there and do it again? Why don't you just sit in the chair? Well, no, that's no fun.